Mo Tips presents 7 ways to deal with relationship insecurity. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to: relationship insecurity. It's completely normal to feel insecure at times, but it's important to address these feelings in a healthy way. In this video, we will be sharing 7 effective strategies to deal with relationship insecurity. So, if you're ready, let's jump right in. Understand your triggers. The first step is to identify what triggers your feelings of insecurity. Is it past experiences, fear of abandonment, or maybe even comparisons to others? Understanding your triggers can help you communicate better with your partner and work through these issues together. Open communication. Communication is the cornerstone of any healthy relationship. If you're feeling insecure, talk to your partner openly and honestly about your feelings. Expressing your concerns can lead to a deeper understanding and can even bring you closer together. Build self-confidence. Invest time in yourself. Engage in activities that boost your self-esteem and make you feel good about yourself. Remember, your partner is with you because they value and care for you. Building your self-confidence will make it easier to trust in your relationship. Practice self-care. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Take time for activities that relax and rejuvenate you. When you take care of your own well-being, you'll be in a better mindset to contribute positively to your relationship. Address past baggage. Sometimes, relationship insecurity can stem from past traumas or unresolved issues. Consider seeking therapy or counseling to work through any emotional baggage. Healing from the past can pave the way for a more secure and fulfilling relationship. Trust and space. Remember, trust is the foundation of a strong relationship. Give your partner the space they need to maintain their individuality, and trust that they're committed to the relationship. Overcoming insecurity involves trusting both your partner and yourself. Focus on the present. Lastly, try to live in the present moment. Don't let past insecurities or future worries dictate your feelings. Enjoy the journey you're on with your partner and celebrate the positive moments you share together. Dealing with relationship insecurity takes time and effort, but with these 7 strategies, you can foster a stronger sense of trust, communication, and self-assurance. Remember, you're not alone in feeling this way, and by working on yourself and your relationship, you can overcome these challenges. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.